With Dryzoro and products from the online waterproofing shop, you can waterproof roofs and terraces, water, waterproofing indoor and wet areas, bathrooms, kitchens, waterproofing of foundations, treatments arising for rising dampness. 6. Structural strengthening and repair of concrete structures, restoring and finishing of flooring, waterproofing of basements and elevator pits, and 9. Waterproofing of swimming pools and drinking water tanks. And these are just a few of the various situations that Dryzoro products can help you out with.